Welcome to RPA Solutions for Small Businesses, brought to you by btgsi.com. For more information, contact Darius Boomer at 732-800-2058 or Darius Boomer at boomertechnologygroup.com. Start by identifying the challenges within your organization across departments, like operations, HR and payroll, sales and marketing, finance, accounting, manufacturing, supply chain, and customer service. Create an inventory in Excel, scoring each problem by its cost, high, medium, or low. Then, decide if AI or automation is the right solution. For example, consolidating sales reports, streamlining commission processes, or improving client communication can be evaluated for automation. Robotic process automation, or RPA, uses software robots to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks. It excels with structured data and well-defined processes. Artificial intelligence, or AI, powers systems to perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as decision-making and learning from data. AI handles unstructured data and adapts without explicit programming. RPA development costs range from $5,000 to over $100,000, depending on the number of bots and licenses. Costs include licensing, implementation, maintenance, and scalability. AI solutions are more complex, ranging from $20,000 to over $500,000. Expenses factor in custom models, data preparation, infrastructure, ongoing maintenance, and hiring skilled experts. You can choose between insourcing or outsourcing your AI or RPA project. Insourcing gives you customization, control, and intellectual property ownership, but comes with high initial costs, skill gaps, and longer development times. Outsourcing provides expertise, faster development, and scalability, but may result in higher overall costs, less control, and potential security risks. AI is commonly used in HR to automate processes, streamline workflows, and enhance decision-making. It can impact recruitment, onboarding, and employee management. AI in IT can automate system monitoring, security management, and data processing. This helps improve efficiency and reduces manual intervention. AI use cases in finance include automating data analysis, fraud detection, and financial forecasting, contributing to more accurate and timely decisions. In accounts payable, AI can help automate invoice processing, data entry, and document management, streamlining financial operations. For tax accounting, AI can facilitate data validation, automate form processing, and support compliance tasks. RPA in HR can automate onboarding and user provisioning, learning and development administration, expense management, HR spend analytics, employee data updates, time record validation, requisition management, payroll processing, and employee benefits management. These automations enhance accuracy and efficiency in HR operations. RPA for IT includes automating file management, server monitoring, policy distribution, report generation, help desk management, event monitoring, security, identity access management, application testing, and software installation and updates. These processes support IT efficiency and compliance. In finance, RPA automates accounts receivable, operational finance tasks, financial review preparation, journal entries, account reconciliations, intercompany reconciliation, regulatory compliance, bank reconciliations, financial planning and analysis, and accounts payable processing. RPA in accounts payable covers vendor management, document management, department tasks, payment reconciliation, and generating reports. It automates document downloads, approvals, payment processing, and data extraction from invoices. RPA use cases for tax include data validation, tax form data entry, e-filing, reconciliations, document management, data formatting, extracting balances, and generating reports. Automation improves accuracy and compliance. To learn more about automation solutions, visit futra.com or contact btgsi.com at 732-800-2058. Reach out to Darius Boomer at boomertechnologygroup.com. Discover solutions from Microsoft or Futra Automate today.